Hello everyone, we're back in Paris. You know, every time we visit, we always struggle those tiny hotel rooms. Paris hotel can be quite pricey, and sometimes there's a barely space to open a suitcase flat. But this time we find something different, a surprisingly spacious room just across from the Gare. It's a cozy, convenient, and perfect for travelers. So let me show you around. So the hotel we stay at this time is called Little Regina. It's not a luxury or fancy hotel at all, but the location is super convenient. It's just right next to the metro and just across the Gare station. If you're traveling from the East Europe like Germany, Switzerland, or even Prague, this station is perfect because many trains arrive here directly. The hotel has a small, cozy area where you can enjoy breakfast or a cup of tea. Now let's go upstairs by elevator. Oh yes, Paris elevators are always tiny. This one can only fit 3 people maximum. Alright, let's go check out the room. Voila! Once you open the door, the first thing you see is a tiny sofa, which actually means you can fit one more person. It's perfect for a couple traveling with the kids. The room also comes with a little kitchenette, so you can even cook a simple meal right here at the hotel, just like staying in a mini apartment in Paris. Then inside the room, there's a double-sized bed, very comfortable to sleep on. But one thing that's definitely not great, there's no air conditioning at all. So I wouldn't recommend staying here during summer or winter. But for me, coming here in autumn, just perfect. And I have to say the room is really spacious. I can finally open my luggage flat with no problem at all. And also I have to say the soundproof isolation is also good. I didn't hear anything outside while I'm sleeping. I feel very good for this hotel. Okay, finally let's explore the bathroom. It's a standard shower room, no bathtub, which is pretty common in Paris unless you're staying in the luxury 5-star suite. Everything is simple and straightforward. But one thing to notice, the water in Paris is hot water. After washing your hair, it might feel a little dry or strange. So I recommend bring your own conditioner, so you can easily grab one from the supermarket downstairs. Like what I mentioned at the beginning, the hotel is just right next to the metro, which makes it super convenient wherever you would love to go or explore. Even by walking distance, you can easily reach the Saint Martin Canal. It's a very famous spot where young people like to hang out, have a drink, or enjoy a picnic at night or on the weekend. You see, there's so many public toilet facilities around here. It's so convenient for them. And also nearby is the place, the République. It's the famous square where many events and protests take place in Paris. So voila, that's where I stayed this time in Paris. I hope you enjoyed this hotel room review. It's not fancy, but honestly, it's good enough for a cozy and a convenient stay in the city.